immense sense of ecstasy and intense pride to have grabbed this opportunity on behalf of all the teachers and colleagues, teaching and non-teaching and delivering staff of this school, to extend my heartiest wishes as a very happy Children's Day on this momentous occasion of the birth anniversary of one who was the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I wish you all a very happy Children's Day to all of you. Children, when we see as a teacher, you have people laughing in a very natural form. You all exhibit a vibe of innocence and boundless energy on this beautiful, impressive and sprawling campus of the school. We are really found myself and ourselves highly recharged. And this recharge comes in us via you. Believe all of you are the perennial source of energy for us all. You are the heartbeat of the school. You are truly said to be the flag, different varieties of flags having lot more, you may say, sense and sense, those of roses and jasmine in the garden of this school. We all appreciate the way you people have exhibited your gesture in the form of a nice and marvelous visionary students of this school. I'm sure the dream that our first Prime Minister of India had for the children of this country in the form of saying that the children of today are the India of tomorrow. He did not say future of tomorrow. He directly addressed the children of today are the India of tomorrow. So have this much confidence. Because this is the land, this is the soil where the people of the world take it as the land of the rishis and maharshis and gurus. Gurus are weight in gold, weight in diamond. And this is the reason that our Prime Minister had this much confidence to say. Because our teachers are completely oozing out with confidence and lots of knowledge to nurture in you the compassion, capability and confidence. They are the cause of all this resource of perennial knowledge, and they are going to transfer and transform into the sense of citizenship. We own the responsibility to nurture in this home. But children, there has never been a time when there were opportunities but not the challenges. You all should know that where there are opportunities, the opportunities are always grabbed, followed and pursued by challenges unsurmountable. But by the power of tenacity, hard work, perseverance and sincerity, and also industry that you exhibit, you have to surpass and transgress all the bounds and limitations, restrictions that you might feel on the way of your progress. Children, success does not come very easy. Success comes your way, the way you like, but it requires, it wants, it demands from you a kind of discipline, sincerity and perseverance. Without discipline, you can never even dream, even vision to become a very successful soul of the country. Your perseverance will always be a compensator. the lacking you may have, you can just surpass it by working hard. So, be a true student. Exhibit yourself, present yourself, and let yourself be manifested by a good child of your parents. I would ask all of you that apart from being an enormous, talented and prodigious child, you must have the virtues of gratitude and humility. This is a message I would like to disseminate on this significant occasion of the Children's Day. Because it is very apt. It is an age saying, it is an adage and maxim that gratitude and humility, these are the two elements that will take you farthest. You cannot even imagine that the talent alone can take you over. Because the humility and gratitude that you can exhibit towards your parents and your teachers, both of them are the right hopes, both of them are the guiding force, both of them are the lights, building blocks of your career. As the parents are in your home, so are the teachers on the campus of the school. And you can express your gratitude to both of them because both of them have a very common goal of making you successful in your life ahead. Children, we must and must be very curious. We must be very creative. And where there is curiosity, where there is creativity, it will lead you to your courageousness and boldness. You will become and emerge as a born soul of knowledge, as a born soul of great citizens of the country. But for that, rest assured, you have to work hard. I would say, work hard and work hard. Because there is no other synonym for work hard, and without working hard you cannot come to be successful. Children, my message again to all of you out there that be the best version of yourself. Be the best version of yourself by proving yourself every single day. Don't let any moment go waste. Children, we are also working with you. And I would make an appeal to all of you that you must grow. You must grow with the knowledge, your enlightenment. But at the same time, you also grow with the sense of exuberant sense, enormous sense of, I would say, empathy, integrity, love and adoration for yourself and for the country. Because all knowledge may not certificate you, certify you to be a very successful human being. A citizen with lot more sensible knowledge, but lacking in the form of your empathy, integrity, love, altruism, philanthropy, and munificence. You just remain to be a huge tree without any fruits and shadow for the other shade for others to offer. In the recent event, you might have noticed that all those who gave a kind of threat to the country's security and life of the people, they were all highly successful people. They had the knowledge, but they lacked the sense of empathy and also humanity. So I would ask all of you, be first of all a good human being. Because a good human being is such a virtue that it will automatically attract all other elements, all other components of is success of your life. Success of being successful. All the rubrics that have been imparted, I hope that you will follow it. You must have a dream, but your heart must always be bigger than that. Thank you very much. Happy Children's Day to all of you.